Main feature: real-time hair, anti-tangling, innovative hair cutting. Main brush prevents hair tangling in real time, ensuring clean main brushes and enhancing cleaning efficiency. Precision edge, cleaning with robotic arm. Innovative robotic arm design enables precise edge cleaning at the millimeter level, effectively addressing the challenge of cleaning edges and corners, with a coverage rate of up to 99%. Intelligent mop lift automatically lifts the mop when encountering carpeted areas during cleaning to prevent wetting, and intelligently lifts the mop during rinsing to avoid dirtying the floor, preventing secondary pollution. Powerful 7,300 pascals. Suction. Flagship. Grade. 7,300 pascals. Super strong fan delivers high-efficiency dust removal, easily tackling deep-seated dust in floor crevices and deep within carpets. Biomimetic pressure and constant humidity. Mopping. Mimics the pressure applied by human hands while mopping, coupled with the built-in water tank, maintaining the mop in a consistently moist state for thorough cleaning without leaving large water stains. Multiple cleaning modes. Supports 4 cleaning modes, including sweep before mop, to meet different household cleaning habits and requirements. High-performance self-cleaning base. Features hot water washing and drying of the mop, eliminating the need for hand washing and air drying, ensuring a clean mop and preventing mold and odors. Precision, perception. Interaction. Equipped with 110-degree wide-angle laser detection and LDS intelligent navigation, accurately perceives the environment, plans cleaning paths, and avoids obstacles and falls. Remote control via My Home app. Remote control via the My Home app supports scheduled cleaning, restricted area setting, and other functions, allowing users to control cleaning tasks anytime, anywhere. Whole house linked. Cleaning supports integration with XIAOMI smart devices, allowing personalized customization of linked scenarios for comprehensive smart cleaning experiences.